In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of your Figma account. If you've ever found yourself needing to switch accounts or simply want to ensure your work in Figma is securely closed when you're finished, knowing how to log out properly is essential. Let's go through this simple process together. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Figma's website. Figma is a popular collaborative interface design tool used by designers and teams worldwide to create stunning visual designs. Once you're on the website, go ahead and click on the Login button if you're not already logged into your account. This button is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials if necessary, and you'll be directed to the home page. Now, once you're on the home page, look around for your profile icon. On the Figma interface, the profile icon is generally found in the upper right corner. Clicking this icon will open a drop-down menu. You'll find a few options here, including settings where you can manage your account details, but what we're interested in today is the Log Out button. When you see Log Out, go ahead and click on it. This action will officially sign you out of your current Figma session. Logging out is particularly important if you're using a shared or public computer to prevent unauthorized access to your projects and accounts. And that's it, you've successfully logged out of your Figma account. It's a straightforward process, but one that's crucial to maintain the security and privacy of your design projects. It's worth noting that remembering to log out, especially on devices that are not your own, can help protect your information and ensure that no one else has access to your work without your permission. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to consult Figma's Help Center or reach out to their support line. Don't forget to give this video a like if you found it useful, and subscribe for more easy to follow tech tutorials. See you next time.